United Pharmaceuticals is a French company specializing in nutritional products and products for gastroenteropediatrics. It's in these offices in Paris, deep in the heart of the capital, that the R&D teams composed of technicians, nutritionists, engineers, doctors, and pharmacists have developed the range of Novalac infant products, one of the most comprehensive products available on the market. The production is done in Normandy, which is located in the west of France. It's a very green area, with a climate ideal for the growing of good grass used to feed the cows. The production in a dairy ensures that only fresh milk is used as raw material. The milk is collected in approved farms, located a maximum of 30 kilometers from the plant. Each cow is milked twice a day and can produce up to 40 liters of milk per day. Once the milk is collected, it's cooled down to 4 degrees centigrade and transported to the plant. First, the milk is tested for the absence of antibiotics, and the fat content is determined. Only when these results are satisfactory will the milk be delivered in the big 150,000-liter tanks. The milk will undergo a number of treatments before being used in the preparation of the infant milk. First, the milk is skimmed by centrifugation. Then it's pasteurized to guarantee its microbiological stability. Finally, the milk will be concentrated to a dry solids content of 50% by being dehydrated in 6 successive columns in which hot steam is injected. All the steps in the process are operated by a control room where all parameters are recorded to ensure the quality and traceability of the product. The milk is now ready to be blended with the other ingredients of the infant formula. Only when they have been tested and approved will they be used in the production. After filtering, the blend is sterilized and homogenized to guarantee a good distribution of all ingredients among the blend. Composition tests are carried out in order to check the compliance of the blend. Only then will the product be sent to a storage tank. The blend is concentrated to a dry solids content of 45% and once again pasteurized and homogenized before being pumped to the top of the drying tower. The blend is blown at a speed of 70 meters per second through 4 nozzles. It enters in contact with filtered air injected at a temperature of more than 200 degrees centigrade. Each drop is instantly sprayed and returned into powder that contains less than 4% of moisture. The powder collected at the bottom is then cooled down in a vibrating tunnel. The steam which is taken out from the liquid still contains some fine particles. This steam is recovered in a secondary circuit, where the fine particles are separated from the steam by centrifugation and then re-injected in the tower. After drying, the product is directly packed in metallic tins. The empty tins are automatically fed into the packing line, where they are checked for shape and absence of foreign bodies by a digital camera. They are turned upside down, blown and brushed to remove any dust or particle that could have remained inside. They go through an ultraviolet tunnel to be sterilized. after which the plastic spoons are automatically added. The powdered infant formula, which has gone through magnets and sieves, is filled into the tins and the bottom is added. Until this step, the conveyors are covered by plexiglass to avoid contamination from the air or from the operators. All this part of the packing line is placed in a white room where hygiene levels are very strict. The oxygen inside the box is removed by vacuum and replaced by an inert gas like nitrogen to preserve the quality of the product during storage. Tins are then coated with inkjet printings and the plastic lids are attached. Then they are regrouped in cartons. And finally, the cartons are palletized. After the packing, the products are stored in the warehouses. Tests are done to check each step of the process. The residual oxygen inside the tin is checked every hour. The weight, the air tightness, and quality of the seal are also controlled. After the production, more advanced tests are carried out to confirm the compliance of the product, such as physical tests like product reconstitution and density of the powder, bacteriological tests, chemical tests like protein or moisture content, minerals content, and vitamins content. Only when all results are known and fall within the specifications will the product be released and shipped. All along the production, numerous controls in compliance with the strictest regulations allow it to ensure the traceability and an optimal quality for the Novalac products. From the cow to the factory, all operations are conducted according to the agri-confiance system, which allows to control the feeding of the cows and the quality of the milk. From ingredients to the finished products, all operations are conducted according to the ISO 9001 quality system. Before one can leaves the plant, more than 558 controls have been carried out, from the milk to the final product. Because quality is not something to be compromised, United Pharmaceuticals has implemented the strictest production conditions with state-of-the-art equipment. All this ensures that we can propose a sure and adapted solution to each particular situation faced during the first years of one's life. Novalac, a division of United Pharmaceuticals,